So when the Bengal partition happened, it was a very big revolt, and there is a lot of disturbances, disputes. But the Hindu and the Muslim, they united, which has marked the start of the independence. So they started in the during the 1919, sorry, 1919. Gandhi entered into India, and he saw that, oh God, it is a very big thing going on here. What we should do? They're already there. There was an Indian Congress, and they already said that Swaraj is my birthright, and I will gain it by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he claimed it to be his slogan. So when Gandhi era, when Gandhi came to India, that marked the start of Gandhian era. He later took up Salt Satyagraha, I mean the Dandi March, and then Champaran. After that, Kheda Satyagraha. He worked a lot, and later he became the president for the Congress. It is not INC right now. So the Congress, the Swarajya Party, and it was also developed by Lal Bal Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. And later, when the Gandhian era ended, the one who killed him was Nathuram Godse, while he was coming from Birla prayers after his meeting. So, and he died with a hayram on his lips. After that, when the march went to the independence protest against British, there is a very big disputes, and there are killings, and after a lot of it, it's like a slaughter of humans. And that marked to Jallianwala Bagh massacre, which was a completely big massacre, and it united the Indians even more. Like, it was enriched with Bal Gangadhar Tilak's on lecture tour to the main capital of India, Delhi, where the British headed them. And after that, there is a big Lati charge and all that happened to be Lala Lajpat Rai's big blow death. And that was when Bhagat Singh and his comrades were to avenge his when they killed some of the British officers while during this war. And after that, the Bharatiya Ghanarajya, it was never India, it is Bharat Ganarajya. So, and after 1947, August 15th, we've got the independence, but not Purna Swaraj, which means the Lahore, I mean the capital, the Pakistan's state. So, which is still under the British rule. So there is no Purna Swarajya for the Bharat Ganarajya. So the Muslims said that no, we are not going to celebrate Independence Day. We haven't get it yet. So the majority of the India got the independence, but the Lahore didn't yet. So they drafted the Constitution Committee during this big march and all. After Lahore uh, even got the independence, there we marked the first independence for the entire India. But do you know what made us separate? The partition. It was the separation of Nepal, and then Pakistan, Afghanistan. A lot of people separated from India, and it was a big thing. So the British said, Pakistan. I mean the Jinnah, who is the leader of Pakistan, not Pakistan, but the Muslim League. He is the leader of the Muslim League. He's Jinnah. So he claimed that we Pakistan, we are going to live in another where we will the domain. We are going to the dominate people, so we can make our own laws. But the Indian Congress actually restricted it. They say that no, unity. We follow the unity in diversity and all. So come on, we are not going to do that. But Jinnah said that no, we need our state, we need our country. Then it uplifted the partition, and after that, which is a very big thing, and the British enjoyed it as well very much. They enjoyed the disputes between Indian Congress and the Muslim League. And then after that, we separated, then formed the Bangladesh and then Pakistan. But still now there are a lot of terror attacks, which is a complete foolishness. Not the foolishness of us, but there are still things that Muslims and Hindus are rivals. But no, we fought together against the British, which equally says that we are united. Not we are not diverse. We are united, and I am still hoping to say that we guys are together. There is no need of terrorisms from Pakistan, and there is no need of brainwashings. Even if they come to us, we treat them differently, and the Pakistan treats us soldiers differently. Of course, we have seen a lot of movies, and it inspires us, it boils our blood, of course. But still, I wanted to say that why? Why there is a need of terrorism? We guys are together. We fought the British. So that's all I want to say. And happy Independence Day.